Howdy, y'all. What do you say we get drunk? It's beer tasting time. And this one I picked partially because of the name and the cute little logo. It's a Smog City Brew from Torrance, California. Sabre-Toothed Squirrel Hoppy Amber Ale. How can you pass that up? Sabre-Toothed Squirrel, citrus, pine, and light caramel. Exceptionally balanced, which is one of the things I love to see. The balanced brew. 7% alcohol. Think we can handle it? We can handle it. Okay, let's pop a top. A little bit of piney off the top. Look at that. I'm not messing up the pour this time yet. Very effervescent, as you can see. Lots and lots of bubbles. Okay, I guess I did mess up the pour. It was good right there till the end, wasn't it? It's interesting. Sticky pine. It's muted. Citrus, I guess. A little bit of maybe peach. Maybe a little toffee. Smells sticky, but it's muted. Doesn't beat you over the head with the bitterness. Pine, citrus, lemony. Doesn't feel as sticky as it smelled. A little bit, there's some hot bitterness, but the balance is what makes it. A little bit of caramel. It's hoppy, for sure, but the malts take the edge off, so your tongue's not puckering up. This is good. That's what IPAs, West Coast IPAs, used to taste like. It's a hoppy amber ale, and I can't argue with that. That's exactly what it is. So the Sabre-Toothed Squirrel's not bad. 3 3/4, maybe a 4 as it warms up. The balance may give it a 4. Good stuff. Almost more West Coast because of the balance. And for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, you're welcome. It's a winner. Go buy one. Try it. And that's all we got. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!